Hello, good morning to Chloe. This is midterm of PRC9 midterm exam. Part 1. Database schema design. Number 1. Design the database schema for Climax Colleges system. Highlight primary keys relationships among them. Ito po yung aking unang gawa sa database schema and relationship. Kung saan po yung student nakakonect sa professor, tapos nakakonect siya sa course. Ang ginamit ko po is student ID, professor ID, at may professor ID sa course. Ang ginamit ko po is one to many and many to one. Tapos, number 2, based on your schema, draft SQL statement to establish tables and fields according to provided scenario. Kung saan po yung sa number 2 is papasok na po tayo sa exam for Windows MySQL. Kung saan po nag-create po ako ng database ng Crimex Colleges. Ayan po siya. Tapos, nag-create po ako ng tables, students and professor tsaka courses. Tapos, next po niyan is nag-describe po ako ng student ID, name, date of birth. Tapos, describe professors. Professor ID, name, specialties. And courses is course code, course name, and professor ID. Nakakonect po siya lahat sa database po. Tapos, number 3, populate tables with sample entries. Yan. Ito na po yung entries. Kung saan po nag-insert po ako ng students date of birth of values. Ayan po siya. Mag-select po ako ng from students. Ayan po yung lumabas sa table na student ID, name, tsaka date of birth. Tapos sa professor ID po, nag-insert din po ako ng name tsaka specialties. Tapos select from professors. Ayan po, yung professor ID, name tsaka specialties. Example, 101, Dr. Louis A. Agustin, PRC 11. Tapos, sa courses po, course code, course name, tsaka professor ID. Yung course po, code is yung subject po. Tapos yung course name po is, kunyari, course code po is APC5, tapos Advanced Database System, tsaka professor ID is 103. Yung 103 po, nakakonect po kay Sir Ricky Cruz. Ayan po siya. Ayan din po. Kung saan po nakakonect po yung course code tsaka course name sa professor ID po. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.